As a leader, do you fear being judged and therefore you do not express yourself? You resist sharing your journey with somebody. You may do that one on one, but when it comes to talking on a forum, talking to people, to your team, letting them know what is the challenge that you're facing, what have you gone through, you kind of step back. Happens? Great. Let's talk about it today. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. So I was talking to this leader, and I just wanted to understand, what's the journey been like, and he's been with some real good brands, and so I was quite excited to know that how has the journey of evolution been. I'm sure जब आप लीडरशिप जर्नी पर होते हैं, कई सारे उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं, और उन सब की वजह से, वो सब जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं उनकी वजह से आप वो बनते हैं जो आप हैं. सो जिस भी स्टेज पर आप हैं वो निचोड़ है. ऑफ कोर्स आपके स्किल सेट हैं, नॉलेज है, वो सब अपनी जगह पर, वो आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस का इम्पैक्ट है आप पर, राइट? सो आई वाज क्वाइट एक्साइटेड एंड आई वांटेड टू नो, एंड I wanted him to share that journey with a couple of people as well, just to kind of motivate them. And that's where I saw this concern that he shared with me, that, he doesn't really feel there is much to share. And he doesn't really, he's not the kinds who can, who's good at, making those kind of doing the talks and being able to share, and really an expert at that. Now that just set me thinking, that for something as basic as expressing, speaking up, our stories, it's something that you've like really gone through. आप उससे गुजरे हैं, वो मेरी कहानी है. Right? There cannot be anything more authentic and powerful than sharing your own story, and that's what people relate with, that's what people want to hear. But the challenge lies in my relationship with myself. How do I view myself? And most often that's not a very cordial one. I think I'm not good enough, I'm not as confident. अगर मैं बोलूँगा तो पता नहीं वो impression होगा या नहीं होगा. People are gonna judge me. They will think, oh wow, he's at so and so position with so many years of experience, and look at the way he's expressing. Not good enough. Oh, is he capable of only this much? So that fear of being judged is so huge, and where does that fear come from? Of course, it's just in my mind, it's coming from my beliefs, whatever my conditioning has been, and I feel, no, I've got to live up to that image that I'm carrying, right? और उसकी वजह से जो मैं हूँ, जिससे मैं गुजरी हूँ, जो मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, जो मेरी जर्नी है, वो शेयर करने में भी I want to have a perfection. I want, I get stopped because I think I just cannot do it in a great manner. Now, as a leader, if I'm not expressing, if I'm not sharing my story, I would say it's not about an opportunity to share. I'd rather say it's a responsibility that I have. Whatever I've gone through, if I can only share, and if I can only, let people know that this is what it is, it's just going to benefit people. It's just going to help others relate and understand that they are not the only ones, that the leaders who are there have gone through it all. They've been there. So So the first step is really to get that relationship cordial, that relationship with self, because understand that fear is only your own creation. It's there in your head. Actually क्या लोग मुझे जज कर रहे हैं, for all you know, when you start speaking, people are like, wow, they are so busy listening to you and relating with you and seeing themselves, you know, where they are, thinking about themselves. They have no time to really think, oh, he's, you know, as good or not good. And number two, even if they are judging, because that's human, we all do. अगर वो जज कर भी रहे हैं, अगर वो ये सोच भी रहे हैं, does that being judged hold more weightage compared to what you would be getting and what others would be benefiting from your sharing? तो जब आप एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, जब आप बोलते हैं, तो जो आपको मिलता है, I mean, to be able to express is the biggest, one of the most gratifying experiences. Yeah. So what you get out of that is way more than for few people here and there saying, oh, it's not as good, it's not this, it's not that. For all you know, जब आप नहीं बोलते हो, जब आप चुप हो, तो भी लोग चार बातें बोल रहे हैं, तो भी लोग जज कर रहे हैं. That just goes on. So as a leader, if you fear being judged and because of that you're holding yourself back, you're not expressing, I would say please do not deprive yourself and people around you of that opportunity, of that experience when you share and you feel like, wow, this is mine. I hope you found this meaningful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.